Hi everyone, I am Shaliza Katyal. Hope you all are doing great. I am doing good too. So today we'll be understanding the topic nouns and its types. So these are the learning objectives of today's session. We'll recognize the concept of nouns and we'll do classification of nouns into various categories like common nouns and proper nouns. So let's get started. So nouns are people, places, animals or things, right? So everything around us has a name. So noun is basically a naming word. It names a person, a place, an animal and a thing, right? Now we'll understand the concept of nouns better with the help of examples. So when we say nouns, nouns are people. Example could be Anita, it could be Shaliza, it could be Rahul, it could be any name, right? And when we say places, it could be name of any place. It could be forest, it could be school, it could be hall. And when we say animals, it could be any animal like elephant, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, lizard, right? And when we say things, it could be anything. It could be phone, it could be charger, it could be mobile, it could be, pen or pencil. So these are various examples of nouns. Now we'll understand the concept better with the help of this poster. As I already explained, that nouns are person, place, animal or thing, right? So when we say person, it could be boy, girl, baby. So they all are nouns since they relate to person. And when we say place, it could be any place. It could be house, it could be school, it could be park. So they all refer to place. When I say animal, it could be cat, dog, lion, pig. So these are examples of animal. So they all are nouns. And when I say thing, it could be sun, it could be car, it could be chair, it could be table, a basket, right? Or a pencil or pen. So these are all example of thing. So nouns are person, place, animal or thing. So now we are going to understand the concept of nouns better with the help of this activity which is there on the screen. So what we are supposed to do in this activity, we are going to categorize the nouns here. So as you can see on my screen, there are 4 columns here: people, animals, places and things. And you can see some words here like doctor, bank, school, cat, toy, cap, teacher and dog, farmer, hotel, box, frog. Now we need to put them in the right categories, right? So let's get started. So people. Now we know so teacher will come in the category of people, right? Doctor will again come in the category of people. Farmer will come in the category of people. So all the community helpers, they come in the category of people and they all are nouns. All the names, they all are nouns. All the community helpers, they all are nouns. Now coming to animals, like cat is an animal, right? Dog is an animal. Dog is an animal. Frog is an animal. So they will come in the category of animals, right? Now coming to places, hotel is a place. Next, we have bank is a place. We go to the bank. So it's a place, right? School is a place. Children are going to school. So where are children going? They are going to school. So it's a place. So they are nouns, right? Coming to things now. Box is a thing. Toy is again a thing. Cap is a thing. So they all are things. So let's summarize nouns. Nouns are people, animals, places and things. Now we're going to understand the types of nouns, right? So nouns, as you can see on the screen, they are of 2 types. Common noun and proper noun. So let's understand one by one. First we'll come to the concept of common nouns. Now common nouns, they have a general name. Now the word general is very important. Again, let's understand. Common noun, they have a general name, right? Example, if I'm saying car, it could be any car. That's a common and a general name. So car is a common noun. Again, next, country. So country, I'm not specifying the name of the country. It could be any country. So it's a general name. So it's a common noun. Coming to singer, it is a general name. It could be any singer. I'm not specifying the name of the singer. So it's a common noun. And then drink. Could be any drink. So it's a general name. So it is a common noun. App is a general app. Could be any app, right? So it's a general name. So it's a common noun. Coming to proper noun, they have a specific particular name. So proper nouns have a particular name, right? Examples could be Audi, right? So Audi is a name of a particular car. So it's a proper noun. So when I say car, it is a common noun. It could be any car. But when I'm specifying the name of the car, it's Audi. So it's a proper noun. So next is India. I'm specifying the name of the country. So it becomes a proper noun. So India is a proper noun. Neha Kakkar. Now I am specifying the name of the singer. So it's a proper noun. Then Pepsi. It's a name of a particular drink, special drink. So I am specifying the name. So it's a proper noun. Then WhatsApp is the name of an application. I am specifying the name of application, although there are many applications, but I am specifying which application I am talking about. So it's WhatsApp. So it's a proper noun. Okay, moving next now, we'll understand the concept of types of nouns in detail. Coming to common noun first. Common noun is a general name given to any person, place, animal or thing. So this word general is very important. Now common noun is a general name given to any of the person, place, animal or thing. For example, table, cat, school, park, boy, etc. So these are all common nouns. Now the very important thing, common noun never begins with a capital letter. They always begin with a small letter. That's a very important point to keep in mind. Common noun never begins with a capital letter. We'll understand the examples now. Okay, boy, park, table. These are examples of common noun. Coming to proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now this is a major identification between common noun and proper noun. Common noun, as I've already explained to you, they never begin with a capital letter, but proper noun always begins with the capital letter. So first initial is always capital in proper noun. The word that refers to a particular name is called a proper noun. So when I am talking about particular person, place, animal or thing, so it's a proper noun. The following list is always a proper noun. Now the names of people. When I am talking about any name, I'm talking about any name like Tina, Rohit, Daksh, or it could be any name. So it is a proper noun. And as you can see, they are starting with a capital letter. Tina, T is always capital. Rohit, R is capital. So whenever you write your name, always write first letter capital. Whether it's coming in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence or towards the end of the sentence. The first letter has to be always capital because it is a proper noun, right? The names of days and months. So whenever you write name of any days or you write any month, it has to be first letter capital always. Now for example, Monday, M is always capital. When you say any day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, first letter always it has to be capital. And when I'm talking about any month, I'm specifying the name of month here, like December. So D will always be capital. So whenever you're writing name of the days or months in the sentence, the first letter always has to be capital. Reason being, it is a proper noun. Okay, the names of the rivers, oceans, mountains and continents. So whenever you write names of all the rivers, oceans, mountains or continents, they all are proper nouns. So the first letter of the proper noun is always capital. Now Ganga. So it's a name of a river. G has to be capital. Indian Ocean, it's a name of a particular ocean. So Indian I will be capital, ocean O will be capital. When I say Himalaya, name of the mountain, so H will be capital. When I'm talking name of the continent, it's Asia, you know, A will be capital, right? The names of the newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindu. So these are names of a particular newspaper. So T will be capital, T will be capital, I will be capital, T will be capital, Hindu, H will be capital. So when I am writing name of any newspaper, the first letter has to be capital because it is a proper noun. Now very important thing, proper noun always begin with a capital letter. That's the identification of a proper noun. It always starts with a capital letter. Okay, names. Name of the street, road and building. So when I'm talking about name of any street or road or building, so the first letter has to be always capital. When I say Oxford Street, so O will be capital, street S will be capital. When I'm saying Sona Road, S will be capital, road R will be capital. When I'm saying Taj Mahal, right, so T will be capital, M will be capital. So these are all proper nouns. That's the reason we are writing first letter as capital. Now name of all the festivals. When we say Deepavali, Christmas, Eid, so Deepavali D is capital, Christmas C is capital, Eid E is capital because they all are proper nouns. All the festival names are proper nouns. Names of cities, states and countries. So Faridabad F is capital. When you're saying any country name, you know, any state name, any city name, so first letter has to be capital, like Faridabad, Sonipat. So F and S will be capital since you are specifying a particular city. Delhi, D will be capital. Name of any state, Haryana, Punjab, so H will be capital, Punjab, P will be capital. Name of any country like India, I will be capital. So they are all proper nouns. You will write first letter as capital. Now names of the holy books like Ramayana, R will be capital, Quran, Q will be capital, Bible, B will be capital. So all the names of holy books, first letter is always written as capital. Now proper nouns, we have an activity here. So think of some proper nouns for each common noun. Now this is the list of common noun here and we have to write the proper noun for the same. And there are some pictures which are, you know, matching the common nouns, and you have to think about the special name for these common nouns, right? First one is store. So this is a picture of a store. Now store, it could be any store I'm talking about, so it is a common noun. And now you have to think about any proper noun for store. So come on, let's think. Okay, now store, when I say store, it's a common noun. When I'm specifying the name of the store is Chunmun, so it is a proper noun. And the first letter you can see, C is capital. Now coming to the second one, car. Car could be any car, so it's a general name. So first it's a common noun. Now you have to think about the proper noun for car. Come on, you all can think, give it a try. Okay, so here we are with the answer, BMW. BMW, I'm specifying the name of the car, so it is a proper noun. Now coming to the third one, candy. Candy is a common noun. You have to find out the proper noun for candy. Could be any name of the candy. I have taken the example as Twix. So T is capital because it's a proper noun. Coming to the fourth one, girl. It is a common noun. Now you have to think about special name for girl because it's a proper noun. Right, so it could be Sonia, it could be Aditi. So I have taken example here as Ria. So R is capital. As I told you earlier also, whenever we write name of any person, the first letter has to be always capital because it's a proper noun. Okay, coming to next one, movie. It could be any movie, so it is a common noun. Now think of any movie that comes to your mind. If you're specifying the name of the movie, that becomes a proper noun. Like here I've taken example of Kesari, so K is capital, so it's a proper noun because I'm specifying the name of a movie. Drink. When I say drink, it's a common noun. When I say Coke or Pepsi or Mirinda, so it becomes a proper noun since I'm specifying the name. So Coke, C is written capital. right? I hope you are very much clear with the concept of common noun and proper noun. Okay, now it's an activity time for all of us. Let's get deep into the topic by doing an activity. Now instructions. Now listen to the instructions very carefully. You have to look at the pictures which are given on the next page, and you have to categorize the common noun and proper noun for each picture, right? Now see, there are some pictures given here. Girl, phone, river, Taj Mahal, Chota Bheem, teacher. Now you have to categorize them whether they are proper noun or they are common nouns. Now girl, you have to tell me, you have to find out the common noun for girl and proper noun for girl. Of course, now see, common noun for girl is girl because it is any girl. It could be any girl I'm talking about, so it is a common noun. And now what is the proper noun for girl? You have to specify the name of the girl. So you can take any example, any name of the girl. I have taken example here as Sia. So it's a name of a girl, right? So S will be capital because it comes in the category of proper nouns. Now second one, as you can see on the screen, the picture is there on the screen. It's a picture of a mobile. So it's a common noun. It could be any mobile, any brand I'm talking about. So it's a common noun. So M is capital because common noun always starts with a small letter, right? Now proper noun for mobile is Samsung. I'm specifying the brand of the mobile, that is Samsung, or you can say Nokia. So S becomes capital here, and if you take example as Nokia, N becomes capital here. Now third one, you can see the picture, and this picture is of river. So R is small. It could be any river I'm talking about. And now you have to think about any name of the river, and that will become proper noun. So here I hope you are ready with the answer. I have taken example of river as Ganga. So G will be capital. You can write Yamuna, Ganga. So names of rivers are proper nouns. They always begin with a capital letter. Coming to next. Now you can see the girl here. She seems to be a teacher, right? So common noun for this girl is teacher. Now you have to specify the name of the teacher and it will become a proper noun. Now I have taken example of teacher here as Miss Shweta. So M is capital, S is capital here because I'm specifying the name. So it's a proper noun. Now coming to next one, as you can see on see this famous cartoon on the screen. So this is a cartoon. So it's a common noun, right? And when I have to give a special name to this cartoon that goes with this picture, of course we all know is Chota Bheem. So it's a proper noun and I'm specifying the name of the cartoon. So Chota, C is capital, Bheem, B is capital. It's a proper noun. Now coming to the next one, this building is very much known to everyone. So when I say building, it's a common noun, right? And when I'm specifying the name of the building, so I can see the picture, it's of Taj Mahal. So it's a proper noun. So T is capital and M is capital. So it's a proper noun. I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and if you really like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and also share the feedback in the box. Thank you so much.